Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. Guys, if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Jay Sparkle. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below so we can be locked in. Alright guys, so in this video you can find a variety of stuff, okay? I promise you it's a bit fun around here. Alright guys, so this morning, or no, it's not morning, this afternoon I will be going over to my neighbor because she said she was going to teach me how to make one of our favorite Jamaican dishes that I absolutely love, but I just never learned. And it's time I learn, you know? I want to learn because I want to be doing some of my Jamaican stuff that I haven't gotten to do in a very long time. You know, in Jamaica we have all those cook shops, so if I can't make something, I can easily go buy a cook shop. But y'all know the American cook shops here that sell Jamaican food, it's not like the most authentic Jamaican food, so I miss some of my Jamaican stuff that I can't get. So I'm like, you know what, it's time I start with some of them that I really love. May you open your garage door and the scent lick me.
Why?
Oh, you have some.
Here.
Cause me wonder how.
They cook them in a my kitchen.
Me wonder how as you open the garage door the scent and lick me. So I said no.
My kitchen is celebrity kitchen.
Oh my gosh, I love this, Monique.
Yes.
I love that.
So I do cook some stuff in there, but it's like these big curry things. I don't bother.
Okay. Guys, I finally made it. Monique, you know, wonder how much just I reached.
What you were doing?
Been lying there asleep.
They said she could knock your door.
Oh,
and
she did?
she was knocking the door.
Me there asleep, Monique.
And she not get no answer, so she figure say yes.
Yeah, because she did come when you leave.
Yeah.
She did come back.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, rub the something on her back. On her back.
But she said, me go back, Jordan, you come down here. But she finally remember the J name.
Finally.
So, because she have me call you auntie too, you know.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, because every time I'm talking to her, it refers to you, she say it and then I say it.
But I love your show.
Yeah.
The organization.
I'm trying to organize, it's not there yet.
I like it.
But yeah, try.
So what else do you cook?
We cook curry goat.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Monique has curry goat and she's doing some stew peas. Yeah. Monique, you're gone, man.
Yes.
You're gone.
Yes.
You have to teach me.
Yes.
Because, so those are the spinners.
The spinners.
So all who don't know how to cook stew peas, Monique can teach you. Although I should, Monique, tell them something should have there from 2 hours ago.
From 3 hours ago.
Oh, 3 hours
because
ago.
You have to boil out the salt out of the pig's tail and what get in there? Corned beef.
Oh.
So that take long. I did well salt. You know what I'm
So how you know like how salt it is?
I will taste it.
Oh.
I do taste it.
Okay. So how long stew peas take to cook?
It depends. It can probably take 2 or 3 hours. Depends.
Okay.
Some people pressure it. I do sometimes when I'm very lazy. But today I never pressure it.
Okay, you just. So Monique, so from when you leave, you done your cook for the whole time?
I cook stew chicken foot.
No, sir!
It's food for the week. To me and my cousin. 2 brown stew chicken foot. The stew peas. And the curry
so you're not going to cook my time this week then?
No.
Yeah, you do your meal prep. Like, I'm not doing my meal prep yet. I never know what I make. I didn't know it.
Yeah, sometimes she cook for the week. And sometimes me cook.
Oh. I like that.
Yeah.
That's how I forgot. You know, teamwork. Teamwork, Monique. Let's see.
Yes.
I like being already cook by myself.
Every evening, every day?
Remember I said that I was doing, but I start switch it up to the meal.
Don't do that.
Come around, I say really tiring. You know?
It is. By the time I leave work, sometimes I end up leaving work like 5:30. And by the time I get home, I just want to take a shower and just not do anything.
Yeah, you just want to relax.
So if I have food already prepared, me just warm it up.
And that's it.
Me I don't live. Me not feel get up. But you know, at meal come on.
when you just heat up the thing, you know. Well, me and Nevin now, we just heat up everything.
Just eat it up, man. Make life easy.
Yes, yes. You know, so I have a Walmart order for pickup.
Yeah.
And them text me say, remember the one I made that tell you?
Say it right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it that like a... Oh, just a classic brace one? Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. So you just can make it continue simmer down.
Simmer down, then you put in the scallion and what else? You know, the pepper and the, all of the other stuff.
Her, as Monique said, her nice kitchen is to do the decoration. I like that, Monique. I like that. You
can't cook curry inside.
Guys, oh my gosh. I'm not even telling when you cook the curry and the white counter. Oh my gosh, it's the hardest thing to maintain. White counter. I don't recommend it to anybody if you can't upkeep it.
And the white cupboards.
The white cupboards too. Oh my gosh.
No, me can't.
And then for the week.
No, the kitchen is show. So yeah.
Yeah. Drink it. We used to drink it all the while.
Nice. Well, Monique,
You
a wife.
have so much people.
You is a wife.
Anytime I sick, I must call all of you. 3 of you must come take care of me.
Yes, we're right.
You'll be alright. You get good taken care of.
Monique, share it up though, my dear.
You're not going to
Hey.
What?
You're going to
Table there.
The vegetable?
You put in that fridge, won't you?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it.
Take it out for me.
Monique, a big chef, you know.
Not really.
Well, you better than me, that's all I know.
She get on it?
It should make it sure.
No.
Oh, yeah, she did take.
You take it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Munchie, alright.
You don't want
No,
it?
not for my food, this food.
Oh,
She eat it different.
finished product. Monique did her thing, you know. The stew pea is looking nice, and the rice and the vegetables and all that. Guys, anyways, we need to tell Monique to open a restaurant because this is top tier dinner. I'm gonna visit Jamaica again. If we don't go back for the food, no longer. Monique angle is.
Monique, oh, you gonna angle me, no one angle she with the food.
Yeah, Monique, we have to go. Monique, yeah, we contribute to the grocery bill. A week time we come. We come and say, this is my $50 so
towards grocery for the week. That's it.
Oh my gosh. So
for the weekly food.
Yes, yes.
A little container.
Yeah, me just make. What you need? What we can help you with? We can do a barter. Like, tell me what you need round the house.
Tell her to come up.
Yeah.
Tell her to come up.
Oh my gosh. Anyway guys, I'm wrapping up this video. So I'll see you all in another video. I'm gonna finish lingeritis taking, so I'm ready for go sleep, you know. As usual.
No, you're not going in and you're going up to the park.
Miss Della the park on her mind.
Miss Del deserve it.
She determined with stuff.
Don't tell me what you're going to do and then when you're done, you don't change your mind.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not you know like that.
I don't like it.
Alright.
You tell us we're going to the park, we're going to the park.
Yes, we're going to the park, guys. We're not letting Miss Del down.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah!